Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to capture photo that you are watching in your mobile phone. First, open your camera app. Then select light painting option, which is available in camera menu. Now simply select light graffiti option. Make it sure that your mobile phone have light painting feature, because a lot of mobile phone have not this feature. I am using now Huawei P9 because this have light painting option. Most of Huawei mobiles have this feature. And this feature is also available in a lot of other companies' mobile phones. So friends, come back to the topic. For this kind of photos, you need lights of different color. You can also use your mobile phone screen as a light of different color. I am using some toys and lights to capture photo. I am also using mobile phone screen to make a stunning and amazing background texture. After collecting all the objects, your model and lights, set your model in front of camera. As you can see here, a toy car, a soldier and a helicopter. I am using this toy soldier as a model. After setting your model in front of camera, turn off all the lights. Now click on capture button. Now move your lights or mobile phone screen in back and side of your model or object. In order to make more beautiful and stunning background, you have to change light colors or have to change your mobile phone screen colors. Friends, if you are enjoying this video, then click on like button, share this video with your friends. And if you have any question about photography, then write this question in comment section. I will reply you soon. Follow me on Instagram for beautiful and stunning photos. My Instagram profile's link is available in description. As you can see, I am using different colors of light and different colors of mobile screen to making background texture. When your background is ready, turn on torch in front of model for a very short interval of time and click on stop button. Now our pictures are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.